I'm nervous, so you should be too.
I am.
All right.
I'm excited, but I'm shitting bricks.
Any last minute questions, concerns?
If I hear 15 knots, I turn around. I'm going to make sure I do all my calls on Big On traffic and Apollo traffic. I say N for the Apollo traffic. Waimea traffic.
You got it, have fun.
Thank you, sir. Yeah! Oh my God. We're doing it, guys. We are November 510 Quebec Sierra. Okay, here we go. I have to go forward. Here we go. Kona Tower, helicopter 405 Charlie Mike, student pilot solo, on South Bravo holding short of Kilo, requesting Alpha Kilo departure to the northeast with information Delta.
Helicopter 405 Charlie Mike, Kona Tower, Alpha Kilo, you're clear for takeoff, proceed to the northeast.
Alpha Kilo, clear for takeoff, proceed to the northeast, helicopter 405 Charlie Mike. Here we go, guys. This is a big moment. Okay, lights are out. Tax matching gauges are green. Fuel is good. Amps are good. Let's do this. Minutes to get to Kiholo, so 7:24. We should start that. I have to have the cycling so far forward because it's so late. Oh, look at that view, guys. Holy crap, we're doing it. We're freaking doing it. I have been trying to get this flight for like a month, and the winds have been too harsh because we're entering the winter. I know Hawaii has a winter, what? So it's been so hard to get it. But we're here. We're doing it. Absolutely crazy, but we're doing it. Let's slow down. We don't need to be going so fast. God, you guys, I can't believe we're doing it. This is like the last requirement I need before I can do my check ride to get my private pilot's license. So I've just been waiting for like a month, just having to study and, I don't know, sit around twiddling my fingers. God, we're doing it. We're doing it. Oh, we're doing it. Kona Tower, helicopter 405 Charlie Mike, clear to the northeast.
Helicopter 405 Charlie Mike, frequency change approved.
Frequency change approved, helicopter 405 Charlie Mike. See you. Oh. Nope. Nothing. Oh. He didn't care. Alright, switching frequencies. Alright, cool. We got that in there. Let's get some friction on. So, Big On traffic, helicopter 405 Charlie Mike, over the highway of Beam Four Seasons, heading northbound at 1.8.
You're doing great so far.
Thank you. That's Corey. Well, guys, it's been a crazy time. I have not been posting a lot, which sucks, but I've just been focused on school, and honestly, that's what's most important right now. I don't need to focus on social media. I'm going to post when I can, because I want to share all the cool stuff I'm doing, but, you know, school comes first, so sorry I haven't been posting as much, but, you know, you got to do what you got to do. But I did want to come on here and talk to you guys about something that I'm really sad about. I'm not doing any racing this year, and it really hurt to come to that decision, but it was something I had to decide, literally because I ran out of money. Flight school is very, very expensive, and I needed to dig into a lot of funds to be able to pull this off. So one thing that made the most sense is to put off racing until I get done with flight school, until I'm making money again, because it's hard. And I could pitch to more sponsors, I could try and pull that off, but I realized school needs to come first. I need to focus on it. So I'm going to do that, and then from there, we'll get back into racing as soon as I can, which should hopefully be 2026. It sucks, it's hard. Part of me feels like I've kind of let you guys down. It's like, you know, I really wanted to do it. It's a big part of what my channel is, so, but it's a transition to my life. I needed to do this for myself. My mental health is so much better now. I'm so happy to be here, and I need to just focus on school right now. The whole reason that I chose to go to flight school was so that I could enjoy what I'm doing every day and have that pay for flying. So I had to take that sacrifice and understand that it's going to be a little bit before I can do the flying, or so I can do the racing. So racing isn't done. It's just on hold for now. But I appreciate all the love and all the support. And I appreciate all the new friends that I've made along the way on this crazy journey. Because, man, I'm loving this life. I mean, look at this. Look how beautiful this is. I'm loving life. This is awesome. Big on traffic, helicopter 405 Charlie Mike over the highway abeam Kiholo Bay at 1.7. So yeah, I'm loving life. I gotta focus on this. And I love racing. That's always gonna be my biggest passion. But I need to focus on school for now. So follow along if you guys want for helicopter content, Hawaii content. Racing will be back. I just gotta get this stuff done first. But thank you guys. Love you all. Now I should focus on flying. Yeah, we are early. I was saying 14 minutes. Alright, so from Kiholo to Puako, it should be about 10 minutes. Let's actually stick to 60 knots. We're going way too fast. Come on. Alright, now we're gonna cut over here. I think I could have cut over there now I think about it, but it's okay. Big on traffic, helicopter 405 Charlie Mike, over the shoreline abeam Kawaihae, heading northbound for Apolu. We are approaching the rich people houses. It's a really cool area. I don't know if I'd want to live here though, because it's really far away from everything. It's a really beautiful community. I mean, look at this area, man. It's awesome. I don't know if I'd want to be over here. I mean, I guess that's kind of the point, is that you want to be away from everything. You're still close enough where you can go to Kona, and it's like a, I don't know, 45-minute drive, so that's actually not too bad. I get it. I understand. A wise man once said, I may be an idiot, but I'm not stupid.
I may be an idiot, but I'm not stupid.
I live by those words every day. That's a cool boat. Case in point. Apollo traffic, helicopter 405 Charlie Mike on 2 mile final for runway 07, Apollo traffic. Look at that, dude. Beautiful. Let's line her up. Oh, it's so beautiful! I love it. Apollo traffic, helicopter 405 Charlie Mike on 1 mile final for runway 07, Apollo traffic. Yeah. Here we go. Good old passing the runway. Let's fucking go. It's so beautiful. Yeah, baby. Woo. Got people camping there. Supposedly they're homeless. I don't know. Oh, it's so beautiful. That's cool. Alright, let's pick her up. Cool. Oh. Look at that. That's so wonderful. Apollo traffic, helicopter 405 Charlie Mike, downwind runway 07, following the shoreline southbound, final call, Apollo traffic.
Helicopter 7 Alpha Juliet 4,300 over the Whiteclaw Heliport 4 Whiteclaw Village.
Big Island traffic, helicopter 405 Charlie Mike, departing Apollo, heading southbound along the shoreline at 1,000 feet.
What's good, Tyler?
What's good?
1,000 feet, you say?
I'm climbing, don't worry.
Okay. Victor's very disappointed in you for being so low, Tyler.
I'm so sorry, Victor, please forgive me. We're gonna need to keep climbing. We're looking for the mound. Keep following the road till we find the mound. We'll make our way around it to get to Waimea. Big Island traffic, helicopter 405 Charlie Mike. Departing inland from Kauai High, heading towards Waimea at 2.9. Final call.
Goodbye, Tyler. Good luck.
Thank you. Cool. Alright, we're making our way. Making my way downtown. A little nervous. I think it was just all the... that, like... not bad visibility, it's just like... I don't know. It's like weird glare. Oh, we're coming up a mountain. Okay. I see her. Captain. Look. There she is. Alright. So as long as we follow around the right of the mound, we'll be chilling. Today was some time. Let's keep it this altitude, actually. Good. And we'll line her up. Now we're looking good. I don't like that glare. It's like a weird haze. It's just really annoying. Yeah, we'll go back that way, so I'm not gonna cut over. It's gonna take our time. I hope you guys can hear me. If I've been talking and the thing has not been working this whole time, I'd be very sad. Alright, so we gotta go touch and go. We're not really in touch, we're just flying by. So let's get some more speed in here. There we go. Hello, hello, I'm good morning to ya. Woo, yeah, baby. That's what I've been waiting for. Woo, yeah. Ooh, we got some birds over there. Let's stay away from those fellas. We're gonna take up the whole runway, because I paid for the whole runway. Not really, but, you know. Oh, you know what I mean. Alright, let's get some more speed. Make our way around. Get some more power in. Very nice. Looking good. Ooh, hello bird. Jesus Christ. Oy. That's always scary. Ah, I didn't start my timer, god damn it. Forget it. Yeah, dude, we are crawling. But it's good. I need the hours. We're chilling on fuel. And my parents are somewhere down over there in Waikoloa. Hi, Mom. Hi, Dad. I don't know why I'm talking like this. It's probably because I really have to pee. But yeah, guys, we're fucking chilling. Like, this is really cool. I'm getting nervous because, not because of the flight, but like, after this, I mean, I'm ready to schedule my check ride. That's crazy. That's so crazy. So we're gonna do that. That's soon. I don't know how soon, but probably very soon. Which means I have a lot of stuff to do. I gotta finish highlighting my FAR-AM. There's a lot of stuff I gotta learn. Oh, it's crazy. But it's all good. We're gonna get it done. And then I can be a rated pilot. If all goes well. Oh, I hope I can do it. Crazy shit.